What's up everyone, today I will repair this laptop. This laptop model is HP ProBook 440 G4 laptop. That means 4th generation laptop. This laptop problem is power button is not working. Today I will repair this very simple and easy way. Let's start. You can see here is the all screw. I will open this screw. After opening this laptop, we need to open the battery 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, just I am trying to release the battery. Just disconnect the battery 2 or 3 minutes. After that I will power this laptop. Okay, it okay, let's check what about this. That is okay. Maybe system has gone hang, that's why it is not working. Okay, turn off the power switch. That is absolutely fine. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Now I am fitting this laptop.